success. All set now, ready to race. Race number 6, Santa Ana Park. Away they go. Touch of gold from the outside, rushing up unpredictable. A stunning success. Pete Boss. And by the rally's fearless boss, Dan Skorik, is running at the tail of the field by about 6 to 7 lengths of the leader. Back to the front runner, Touch of Gold, unpredictable. Pete Boss is running by the stunning success. Is on the outside, fourth by the fearless boss, Dan Skorik. And rounding the far turn, Touch of Gold, Pete Boss. In between runners, and on the outside, unpredictable, stunning success, closing in fourth as they race upon a corner. Touch of Gold, Pete Boss on the outside, pokes his nose. Pete Boss on the outside, Touch of Gold, and stunning success, unpredictable. Pete Boss the leader, while the rider, Jesse Basilio Guse, is still with tight race, this time by above 4 lengths now. And nearing the finish line, Pete Boss, well-trained, Ikong Pansoy. Second, a stunning success, Touch of Gold, unpredictable, fearless boss, Dan Skorik.